Hello everybody and welcome to another Makina Moto feature, and napaka-special ng episode na ito. Indeed, kasi sa daming motor na dumaan dito sa Makina, ito na ata yung motor na meron akong nakitang pinakamabilis na rise to fame, in the sense na ang daming noise online, ang daming napawaw dito sa bike na ito in terms of its quality and its performance. Totoo yun eh. Kung ikaw ay bagong motorcycle manufacturer at wala kang heritage at all, and gusto mong sumikat agad, gusto mong tumatak agad, ikakarera mo talaga siya. Competition is the way to go, and this bike has been winning in very important races around the world. Kaya ang ingay-ingay niya online. And ito na nga, dito na sa Pilipinas agad. Makina Moto features, this is the ZX Moto 500RR.
Follows you back home. I'm a street light shine.
Okay, let me intro this brand properly. Ang ZX Moto ay founded by Zhang Zhu, kaya siya ZX. Yan yung initials ng may-ari. Founded when? Check this out, 2024. Diyos ko, mas matanda pa yung baby kong 3 years old. 2 years old pa lang yung brand, nakapanalo na sila sa isang seryosohan na karera. Obviously, malalim ang hugot ng may-ari sa knowledge sa paggawa ng mga performance sport bikes. At hindi lang since 2024 ang experience niya. Nagsimula si Zhang Zhu bilang isang moto mechanic at motocross rider noong 2013. Tapos, lumipas sa Chongqing, which is the manufacturing capital of China, para magbenta ng modified bikes. After which, dahil sa galing niya, niyaya siyang i-co-found ang Cove, which we also reviewed here in Makina before. Sa pagkaalala ko sa mga bikes ng Cove, high-revving at matutulin din yung mga bikes nila. Yun nga kasi andon si Zhang Zhu. Pero noong 2024, hindi na sila nagkasundo ng mga ibang partners niya. Kasi ang gusto talaga gawin ni Zhang Zhu is to make bikes based on high performance, while yung mga old partners niya are still on the conservative side. Noong 2024, ang daming excited sa pagbukas ng ZX Moto dahil nga sa widespread reputation niya na magaling siyang gumawa ng mga high-performance bikes. In just a few months, nakabenta sila ng over 10,000 units. Biruin mo yun? And only this year, noong March 28, ayan na-shock ang buong mundo dahil nanalo ang ZX Moto sa Portuguese leg ng WSBK. One of the most prestigious races in the world kung saan usually nagdo-dominate ang mga Japanese and European brands. Ang ZX Moto ang kauna-unang Chinese moto brand na nanalo sa WSBK. Suddenly, the world took notice.
Okay, so let's talk about the specs. Ano ba meron dito sa motor na ito? Ang makina natin, 470cc inline 4. Double overhead cam po tayo dito. 16 valves, liquid cooled tayo. Max power natin is at 84 HP or 62 kilowatts at 13,500 RPM. Ang torque po natin is 46 Nm at 11,500 RPM. So yung acceleration na ito, sa segment na ito, and I know I've been saying this a lot, when, alam mo yung term na yung across the board, medyo linear yung alis natin, yung power niya is spread out. I don't know if it's just a psychological thing or hype thing, pero dito ramdam ko siya. Yung buong alis niya from first gear, transitioning into second gear, it's all just, dire-diretso, parang constant, yung So, ganoon. So, dun sa acceleration test namin to 0 to 100 mismo. So, sa top speed naman niya, claimed by manufacturer, this can reach anywhere to 235 to 246 kilometers per hour. Of course, top speed and power is a matter of gearing. Diba? Meron hangganan niya because of the gearing, your sprocket configuration, the ability of the engine to reach that max, diba? So, nandun tayo sa speed niya, 235 to 240, give or take. So, medyo malakas yung makina na aabot niya yung ganong level with a certain configuration with the gearing at the 500cc segment. So, impressive din, diba? Fuel capacity natin, 15 liters. Ang ating total weight is 160 kilos. Ang clutch natin is multi-plate slipper clutch. EFI tayo, syempre.
Shakedown 1979.
So riding position, I am 6 feet tall. Ito yung pakiramdam niya. Again, tatawa kayo dahil ang laki-laki kong bulas. Ganun talaga. Halos lahat ng bike maliit tignan sa akin eh. Di ba? Para ako nakasakay sa malaki aso. This is what it looks like. It's very, very friendly for everyday as sport bikes go. Hindi siya medyo ganun. Di ba? Sakto na siya. Again, kung gusto mo racing mode, you can trick this bike out. Gusto mo sumubsub palalo, okay siya. It just feels right. The width of the tank, kung paano ko ginigrip dito, for me at least, ergonomics ng body ko, sakto lang. And I am just like this. Uy, tuhod, banking. I am assuming that what I got here is bone stock, right? So we have CST for the tires. Exhaust is all stock. Quality is pretty straightforward. It's just saying, okay, sport bike po tayo. Wala masyadong kaprichohan na hindi naman kailangan. Ergonomically speaking, I think it's dead on. It looks great. The lines are very streamlined looking. Mukha siyang lilipad na ako. What I'm seeing here is U1. So you can imagine already the potential. Kung ngayon pa lang stock siya, natutuwa na tayo. Ano pa kaya pag naka-all out na to, di ba? As in race spec na lahat. This is a fun bike to trip out on. Meron din tayong wings dito, carbon fiber of course. Now, with regards to the hot pink color, this is hot pink on a darker shade of pink. Medyo hindi lang ako fan yan. I mean, I'd prefer this to be all out, maybe red or a lot of blues, maybe whites, different color schemes, or maybe pastel even, para maiba. Yung hot pink, dyan lang siguro, that's the only thing I will critique here. If I had this, repaint agad yan sa akin. If I were to nitpick, I'd work on this logo. Maybe they can improve on this, like maybe Z extend the lower line here. I mean, this has nothing to do kung paano tumatakbo yung motor, kung paano yung handling niya, yung makina niya. Yung galing ng motor lang kinalaman dito sa logo na to. It's just like, I'm just nitpicking kasi maarte tayo sa looks. I just work on this logo, seriously. Yun lang. In terms of the seat, so hindi to plank level na masakit sa puwet. Masarap siya sa puwet. Oh. If you press down, you can see that there's a lot of foam on it for your butt. So, quite comfortable in that sense. So, inisip din ng ZX Moto na, okay, hindi lang to todo racing, kasi hindi naman lahat magtatrack araw-araw. But you can use this and have a taste of what a good performing 500cc bike would feel like without you having to go to the massage parlor every so often dahil sa sakit ng katawan. Actually, it's pretty comfortable in that sense as sport bikes go. That is our suspension. And where it is situated, and if you look at it on the side, you can see it peaking there. It's still clean looking, actually. Quality of our controls, okay rin yung quality. This is machined well. I would probably change the grips. That is also good quality. Let's fire it up. That is the intro. We have a flash of a Z somewhat. Very nice. TFT display tayo. Nice and small and cute. Pretty straight up. You see all the details that you need right in front of you. Hitting the mode is right here. And you can see already, no? Like for example, novice, street, we were in sport mode, custom, engine todo, ABS pinatay, traction control pinatay. Malamang sina Alberto to. Track time. Make sure if you're gonna go for this, you know what you're doing, okay? Wala ka na ABS, bigla traction control. So you better know what you're doing. Let's fire it up. Nice. Very nice. Ganda ng tunog. Tama alam mo yon? Tama yung tunog. There's our headlights, day running lights. It's very Ducati-ish if you ask me. In fact, kung tinanggal mo to, yan yung magbumukhang Ducati. Pero nilagyan nila ng ganyan. Diba? Yan, medyo Ducati-ish yung dating. Especially with the wings. That's our taillights. Nice! Z for Zach. So on top of that pa, kung bakit din ako naaliw dito is because of the recommendation ng Albertos. Toti Alberto, Joy Alberto, Troy, TJ. Sila po yung nagpasok ng Ducati. In fact, they'd be hard-pressed to ride anything else. Ducati sila puro. Diba? Kung ang Ducati pwede maging dugo, pag binuksan mo sila, makikita mo yung Ducati doon sa dugo nila. Diba? Now for them to come out strong na, guys, okay tong ZX Moto. If they're saying it, a family that's been importing Ducati, fans of Ducati, for them to take time out to invest in this, to bring it over, may ibig sabihin yun, di ba? I mean, nagulat nga ako nung pinapost nila talaga. Kasi lahat ng pinapasok ng mga Albertos are all performance. They bring in Italjet, they have Indian motorcycles. Pinipili nila yung pinapasok na. They have performance parts as well. Olins, kanila yun, Brembo. So, for them to recommend another full-blown sport bike na hindi Ducati, medyo, teka muna, there's something about this bike then.
all these things about me.
So ang ZX Moto, pag na-ride mo ito, magigets mo kung saan nanggagaling yung founder. Talagang high performance and racing ang pakay. And yet, the ZX Moto 500RR can still be ridden every day. Mas lalo na kung sanay ka sa sport bikes. Because of ZX Moto, mas lalo na enforce yung notion na kahit saan ka pagawa, kung nananalo ka sa karera, magaling ka. May proof of concept nananalo And I'm also glad Access Plus ang nagpasok nito. Isang kumpanya na naiintindihan ang mundo ng high-performance bikes and racing. The brand is in good hands here in the Philippines. The ZX Moto 500RR. Ito ang goodbye. Sir Sak po ng Makina Moto Features. Ciao!